What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to open Google Play Store on your ON TV box. Now over here, I have the ON 4K Google TV streaming box, but it doesn't matter the type of ON TV box you have. By the end of this video, you should be able to open up the actual Google Play Store app on your device. Now, in case you do not know, one thing with most Google TV device, just like the ON TV box with Google TV, you will notice that there is actually no Google Play Store app. And even if you come over to this list of apps over here on your ON TV box with Google TV, you will find out that there is actually no Google Play Store app. Now, just for you to know, the Google Play Store app is already on this device and is embedded in the system application of this device. So there are basically two ways you can open up the Google Play Store app on your ON TV box with Google TV. The first method is to simply head over to this search icon at the top right corner of your ON TV box with Google TV, and once you get to this search icon, you can literally see it over here. You want to come over to this image field, then go ahead and search for Google Play Store. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the enter button or search button at the bottom over here, and automatically this will open up the Google Play Store app for you on your ON Google TV box. So you can now go ahead and search for any application you want over here and then download them into your ON TV box with Google TV. Now, another way you can do this is to simply use the voice command button on your ON TV box remote control. Now, in my case over here, you can literally see the Google voice command button. So I will just press and hold and then say open Google Play Store. And automatically, this will as well open up the Google Play Store app for me on my ON TV box with Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.